Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying hardware and software prerequisites. Check that your PC has a 3.5 mm combo jack or you're ready with the USB adapter. This determines the physical connection you'll make. Once done, charge the headset above 20% and keep it powered off while you prepare ports. Make sure to download HyperX Ingenuity on Windows now if you want EQ or firmware control. This step is optional for basic audio, but recommended. Now pick the correct cable and move to connecting the headset. Next, connect the headset and configure system audio. If using the 3.5 mm cable, insert it firmly into the combo jack. If using the USB adapter, plug it into a rear USB 3.0 port to avoid interference. Power on the headset and go to Windows Sound Settings. Select HyperX as both playback and recording device so communication apps use the headset. Once selected, open HyperX Ingenuity to check for firmware updates. Set mic gain and pick an EQ preset. This ensures optimal clarity and balance. Finish by validating audio and applying final adjustments. Run a quick microphone test in Voice Recorder and play a media file to confirm headphone output. Tweak levels in sound settings or Ingenuity until clarity is satisfactory. If you don't hear anything, try a different USB port or swap the 3.5 mm adapter and reinstall the HyperX driver if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip. After any firmware update, power cycle the headset and restart your PC. This often clears device conflicts and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.